Yo, what's going on, guys? DJ Hess here, Collectivekicks.com. Wanted to bring you guys a detailed look and review of the LeBron 12 Witness. You can see at the very top right here. And it is kind of added to the collection of like orange LeBrons that I have currently. And so I have a couple other sneakers here for comparative purposes. At the end of the video, there'll be the on-foot section for those curious about that. And if you guys are curious about purchasing, I'll put a link in the description for those searching. Hopefully, this is recorded before the game starts, but hopefully the Cavs have a good game today. And I mean, all in all, the series is awesome. I would like the Cavs to win just because I'm a fan of LeBron, and the whole story behind what he's doing this year is pretty dope. But anyway, let's go ahead and get into the shoe called the LeBron 12 Witness, and it is the Cav colorway. Just so you guys get an idea, this is really bright. On the on-foot sections using regular daylight. This video is using inside lighting. It is kind of yellowish orange, but it is a very light orange for those wondering. Very vibrant and a really dope color in my opinion. Kind of have like a little bit of a orangish, pinkish like liner, I guess is a good way to describe it, like a punch colored. And then I like how they have the carbon fiber type print on the deposit material. You can see the back tab, how it has a variation of different colors back there, and the LeBron crown. And you have the zoom pods on the bottom. I like the fact that these are like reddish pods. They're not all like the crazy colors like these ones are, which was a bummer that this is the way that these ones came, because I really would have liked them to be something more all orange pods, but it is what it is. I'm glad they started changing them on future models, as we've obviously seen. This is my Nike ID pair, for those wondering. This is my Beavers, Oregon State Beaver colorway, and I did kind of the reverse, so it's kind of like almost the opposite of each other, but this one's obviously not quite as orange. It's more of a lighter color, but I really like the release. This is one that I mentioned that as soon as I saw it, I knew that I wanted to get this one in the collection. Pictures are always tough to tell how they're actually going to look in person, and so just for an orange collective, like I guess comparison between something like this is like the Big Bang 9s, just so you guys can see the side by side of the colors. This one is definitely like the laces on this one. It's like literally 4 different shades of oranges, as you can see in the picture here, or in the video. So this is definitely way more orange than this one. So if you were wondering color wise, yeah, this is a little bit lighter on the lighter side, but still dope nonetheless. And then you can see my 2 Nike IDs. These are my Nike ID 10s, kind of the Big Bang Beaver inspired colorway, kind of like a play on the Big Bang, but obviously different. I use black and whatnot because I just liked it for the whole atmosphere sort of thing, or whatever it is, you know, like an outer space sort of look. So kind of did that, and you can see just the difference in color there, and you can see the difference in color here as well. Very different in color, obviously much oranger. And then I did the 11s back over there. As you can see, I'm not going to reach over there and grab them. Actually, maybe I will, because I have 2 of them. These are the 2 11s that I did in the orange colorway, Big Bang inspired, and then my Beavers inspired colorway right there. And basically the closest color wise is really these ones right here, the Lava 11 lows, and you can see color wise these 2 are pretty close. So if you're wondering color wise, that's kind of along the gradient that it is. Hopefully this video will be helpful for those wondering how they look in person. But that's pretty much it, dudes, for I guess the review. Just a really quick look at the shoe. And right here, I'll just show you a little pano look, or 360 look, not pano. And you can see it on the tongue, right, the LeBron crown. But yeah, that's pretty much it. Go ahead and put the on-foot section right here for those wanting to see what they look like on feet. Did you guys cop any LeBron 12s so far this year? It's kind of a hit or miss model. Something that I mentioned, I know the Curry 1s dropped this last weekend also, and everybody was geeked out that the Curry 1s were selling out. One thing that I will throw out there, and I mentioned this on Twitter, is the Curry 1s were a limited launch, and I'm really stoked that Under Armour is actually doing some cool things like that, and it's a kind of a limited MVP launch. I still think that all in all, if you looked at the numbers for the sales of these LeBrons versus the Curry 1s, obviously since this is a GR, and if the sale through rate goes through higher than the amount of Curry 1s that were produced. So obviously, I know people think that the Curry 1 is the winner over the weekend, but sales wise, I bet those ones still did better. That's just kind of like the way it is. I'm not throwing any shade at the Curry 1 or the Under Armour brand, because honestly, the MVPs look dope. I like the white and gold, black colorway. They look really, really nice. And it's nice to see steps that Under Armour's taken. So shout out to them for making moves. But I still think that people are, I'm just throwing this out there for those people that don't think about these type of things, but like these still probably sold more, even though they're sitting on every shelf across like every Foot Locker or whatever. So it is what it is. Regardless, this is a colorway that I really wanted. But leave a comment. Did you guys pick up any LeBron 12s so far this year? And if so, which colorways? And did you guys pay retail? That's a good question to ask. I got this for my Nike haul video. If you guys didn't see that, I got a huge Nike haul, and this is one of the ones that I ended up getting from the haul. And I did not pay retail, but I did pay over retail, which is the Nike ID price for those ones. And I do have a couple other LeBron 12s as well. But anyway, have a good one. Thank you guys for watching. We'll catch you guys for some more videos soon. Peace.